Hi everybody, I'm sure you know it. This is a Ferrari 458 Italia.
This model is from 2012, so it's not brand new, but very far from being a classic. This car doesn't look old at all. But inside there are some details that, well, could use some help. For example, this car, which costed over $200,000 at the time of the release, does not support Bluetooth. You may say, it's not a big deal. For me, nope, this can't be left alone. We'd better do something.
So just right now we installed an emulator like this one inside this car. And this is exactly for 458. These connectors go to the audio system and we can just use our phone to change the music or anything else. So see, I can change my music like this, or I also have another way, which is from the car. After adding Bluetooth function to this car, the 458 is certainly much more fun to drive. What do you guys think?